All right, temperatures this evening still in the middle 60s all across northeastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, even some 70s showing up. And that's helping to fuel some thunderstorms off to the west this evening. Let's take a look at temperatures for your neighborhood, see where you're going to get the evening started. Yes, it's still dry right now and actually fairly pleasant out there. But these temperatures that have warmed up into the 60s and 70s, again, fueling these thunderstorms out to the west. Now, parts of the area are under a marginal risk. That's this darker green for severe thunderstorms this evening. That includes southwestern Mahoning County and most of western Columbiana County. Doesn't mean that the threat can't come a little further east, and there is a possibility for some gusty wind, a little bit of small hail, and brief heavy rainfall here this evening. Right now, Doppler radar continues to scan quietly at home, but going west, just a couple of counties, you see this line of heavy rain. Now, just over the past 20 minutes to half hour, this has started to weaken just a little bit, and that has been expected through the day, but still packing a punch with a lot of lightning here just west of New Philly, west of Interstate 77 this evening, and this entire line is pushing off to the northeast. So there's the possibility for between 3/4 of an inch to an inch, possibly more than an inch of rainfall as long as this holds together as the evening goes on. Here's future trackers, 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight. That rain will be knocking on the western doors of Columbiana County and then sweeping off to the east and northeast as we go into 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight. The deeper the red, the heavier the rainfall. And this burst won't last all that long, just an hour or two into 10 and 11 o'clock, and then it sweeps eastward. And then we're just dealing with some showers for the rest of the night. The threat of thunder will leave us, and that'll stay the case right into tomorrow morning. Early in the morning as you join Rich Morgan, small chance for a few showers, but then they should move on out. And a big part of tomorrow, although staying mainly cloudy, will stay dry right into the afternoon. Temperatures pushing back toward the 60s. The next wave of showers and a chance of thunderstorms later tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Very stormy pattern setting up for us this week. But this evening, I'm watching these thunderstorms. Again, the risk is there for a little bit of gusty wind, some small hail, and some brief heavy rainfall as we go through the evening, especially between that 7:30 and 11:30 group of hours this evening. Tomorrow morning, a few light showers early. Temperatures back in the low 60s. The rest of the day staying mainly cloudy. And how about that 7-day forecast? See if we can hold on to these warm temperatures while your election day, as I mentioned, starting out with a few showers and then drying out. The chance of a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow night into Wednesday morning should wrap up through the early part of Wednesday. Still mild. St. Patrick's Day, low 50s for highs, still above normal with a small chance of rain. And that small chance of rain stays in the forecast through the end of the week into the weekend and turning colder. Even some snow mixing in just in time to get spring started early next week.